I've hit 100K with GoHighLevel not once, but twice. And today I'm breaking down the 3 AI tools that make it possible to have this be rinse and repeat. If you want your next 10K in 30 days, this is the exact roadmap. Now do me a favor, if you plan to execute right after this video, go ahead and comment AI down below so that I know this is your next move. So let's start with the first thing to do within your HighLevel account and with AI within your first 30 days. Because this is the exact first move that I did when I got my account. I set up my digital products, aka digital courses, my low ticket front end offer, because in today's economy, this is the highest leverage revenue arm that you have right now in your business. More on that later. But when you get into your HighLevel sub account, the thing that you'll navigate to first is the AI funnel builder. So this is an AI that builds either a website or a funnel builder. And why exactly is this the tool within HighLevel to help you make your next 10K faster than ever is because it takes away all of the bottlenecks and the resistance of you having to spend months and months doing the sales copy, doing all the tech, connecting 5 different tools at once. All you got to do is come into the AI funnel builder, go to build it, prompt it and say, hey, I want you to build this website within this niche, give it the different pain points, your high-end hook, headline angle that you want it to say. And then from there, watch the AI do the heavy lifting for you within minutes and give you a hero section, this is for you section, testimonial section, pain point section, all the things you need. And this is going to be like 90% ready to go. And then all you got to do is go in there and do some light tweaks. Then what you'll do is duplicate the same process for the funnel builder to build you a nice checkout page so people can go to the page, click buy now, then it'll go to the payment page with all the payment options, credit card, PayPal, you name it, and then it's ready to go. And this is exactly what I did. Here's proof of my own funnel. I went in and I focused on my $47 to $97 offers. I had my front end offer, that's $47, and I have a checkout page like I'm saying. I put in upsells and downsells in there, which HighLevel is really good at doing, and it's really easy to set up. The important thing here is that by doing this, this is going to allow you to turn perhaps a $47 buyer that gets your front end offer all the way to a $400 plus buyer all in just one transaction. That's insane. So that is exactly the power of not only setting up your funnels correctly and your offers, but how the AI funnel builder can help you do this thing and map it out within minutes so that you can be ready to launch the thing within just days. And so I wanted to mention also that within HighLevel, you can host the course that you want to deliver. You can host your membership there so that you don't need to have a third-party community software like a School or Circle. It's all right there. And you can set up an automation so that when somebody buys a course, you can have a personalized experience, send them a text, send them an email right away, deliver everything automatically. So your client experience is premium, because this is really what's going to help you make the money and scale when people have a really good experience and want to dive in to the product they just purchased from you right away. And by the way, if you're interested in starting a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, and if you've been struggling with lead generation, your offers, your funnels, and it's just overwhelming and technical, and it's driving you crazy that you can't get momentum, one of the perks of using my link to get HighLevel is that getting access to my community, the Profit Lounge, is 100% complimentary if you sign up using my link. I'm in the group every single day. We have weekly live coaching calls. People in the group are getting massive breakthroughs. So if you've been thinking about starting HighLevel, definitely check out the list of all my bonuses in the first link in the description, and I'll see you inside the Profit Lounge soon. The next AI tool that we're talking about within HighLevel is Ask AI. This is absolutely insane, especially if you struggle, like me, to post carousel posts within Instagram and LinkedIn, Facebook, all of your socials. It can literally create viral carousel posts within minutes with one prompt. For example, I went to Ask AI and I was like, hey, create a viral carousel about 10 things nobody tells you about living abroad. Make it honest, adventurous, and slightly controversial to drive saves and shares. I think I tweaked it a little bit, but it was working. But all I did was press click, and then it started getting to work, and then it spit out 10 beautiful carousels about that exact topic. And I was like, this is crazy, because I used to be a digital nomad, and I looked at these carousels, I'm like, these are all very much so on point. Very much so. But then I was like, okay, wait a minute. I love these and all, but this is kind of old school style carousel, not old school. The carousel with like no images. So the carousels now that have like really raw and authentic pictures are the ones that are hitting the most and getting the most views now on Instagram. So I was like, hey, this is great. So every other carousel image, create an authentic picture to match what it is you're sharing or saying on that exact slide. So it went back to the drawing board and it did that. And then it popped out exactly what I wanted again. And then the cool part is it was like, hey, by the way, do you want me to schedule these posts for you? Because if you didn't know, GoHighLevel has Social Planner, which you can schedule all of your YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Threads, all of those within your Social Planner. And I was like, well, yes, I do want you to schedule it. And you just literally type in the date, like, hey, I want this post to go out on Instagram, LinkedIn on May 24th at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's crazy. And then it double checks. And then what it does is it cross checks the connection, makes sure the accounts are linked up on the Social Planner, and then it plans it for you. This is what's going to allow me to not only crush it here on YouTube, but to get active again on the social media platforms. Because what is it that helps you create your next 10K is getting out there. Like, your content is the most highest leverage thing that you could be doing for your business right now. Okay, so if you don't have YouTube locked in, if you're not making noise on your socials, then creating your next 10K cash injection is going to be that much harder. So now with a simple transcription and prompt into Ask AI within HighLevel, you can have literally, every other day, every day for that matter, for the next 30 days planned out, locked in, and ready to go. Now, if HighLevel hasn't just blown everybody's mind in the past year with all the features that came out, this is like the granddaddy of them all. And that one is called AI Studio. Now, in order to have both Ask AI, I forgot to mention, and AI Studio, you have to turn and toggle them on within the lab section of your sub account. So just make sure they're toggled on so that they appear in your menu board. Once you get there and you've been struggling with lead generation, it can make you quizzes instantly. It can make you calculators. It can make you any type of app that you want it to make you. It can build functionally interactive lead magnets within minutes, because the idea is quizzes and these interactive lead magnets will increase your opt-in and conversion rates like crazy. I'm talking about anywhere between 20 to 30% just by implementing this into your lead magnet strategy and plan. And back in the day, like the 2016s, 2019s, and even just honestly a couple of years ago, these things used to cost several thousands of dollars to create and to have somebody do. Now it is all at your fingertips within AI Studio. Not to mention if you're getting paid to create these things for clients, if you had an agency that you're running or something like that. So check this out. The first thing I did was I went to the studio and I was like, hey, build me a quiz for a relationship coach that helps couples identify their number one communication breakdown, collect their name, email, and phone before revealing results, and connect it to my CRM. And then within minutes, I was like, wow, this is really, really cute. It gave me a branded, very modern looking quiz that had 4 different steps to it, where at the end of those steps, it would collect those things that I asked for, and it was simply ready to deploy, because this thing can also connect it to like your automation where it actually creates the contact, delivers the thing and the results. It'll create everything for you. Now, for those of you business owners who have a business in the business niche, right? Check this out, right? I went and I was like, okay, now build this profit calculator. Build a free calculator that shows business owners how much they could make from a digital course. Show revenue projections based on list size, course price, and conversion rate, and collect their info before revealing results. And now the CTA was to book a call. So for those that have a higher ticket priced service, program, whatever it is, this is gold, okay? Because for the same amount of traffic that you're getting, this is like 3x the amount of people that will opt in, because it is a calculator. Calculators are awesome. Love calculators. And think about this. You have created a course. Going back to my first point about creating a course and setting up your course funnel within HighLevel, within that front end offer, it's always amazing to offer, 3 to 4 bonuses to like put the icing on the cake and to make it seriously a no-brainer deal for somebody to buy. You can say, hey, included in this purchase today, I have my such and such calculator. You'll be able to take my whatever quiz, and you can just like include these tools that'll help people get the result that they're looking for that much faster when they go through your mini offer, your mini course, right? Because the front end offer that I talked about just a couple of minutes ago in the beginning of this video, that should be an offer, a low ticket offer, not low value, okay? Low ticket offer that gives somebody a quick transformation within a couple of hours, within a couple of days. And so to help them get there, you want to stack on just a couple of bonuses to make it like, oh my gosh, like if I got this amount of value for $47, what is the next thing with Marissa that she has? Because I'm going to buy right now. Okay, so this is how the whole ecosystem works. It's like you have the front end offers, the low tickets that do the heavy lifting, that bring you a great cash injection, anywhere from a sale of $47 all the way up to $400 plus. And then a lot of you have an offer that's valued and that you charge anywhere from $3K, $5K and above. And that is what begs people in the low front end, those buyers, to ascend into your higher ticket offerings. So essentially, to wrap it all up, you have the trifecta of the AIs doing the work in the three main categories, which is the products you're going to sell. It can create those things within minutes, right? Have it ready to go and set up to launch within days. So the course or / offers and products, okay? Number 2 is the content, now helping you create viral carousel posts, which are the hottest types of content right now on traditional social medias, not YouTube. Okay, and then number 3, the lead generation aspect. So having AI Studio now help you create these powerful interactive lead magnets that are just crushing it and 3xing the amount of traffic with the same audience that you have now. I hope you took something major away. And if you're watching this video still, what I want you to do is check out the video coming up next, all about continuing this topic and checking out a live demo of this AI tool that built these assets for me. All right, so that video is right here coming up next. I will see you there.